The Philippines has been endowed with vast natural resources whose local communities are dependent upon making full use of the benefits which can be derived from them. Among the vast resources distributed all over the country, there is the occurrence of two major ecosystems whose resources are considered prime commodities in localities where they are found. These are the forest ecosystem and the wetland ecosystem. These ecosystems are diverse and abundant, but its underlying resources are beset with issues and concerns that need to be addressed. In effect, the DENR, through Ecosystems Research and Development Bureau or ERDB and the Forest and Wetland Research Development and Extension Center or FWRDEC, has the mandate to undertake researches on environment and natural resources, specifically focusing on the pressing concerns of forest and wetland ecosystems. The FWRDEC is one of the research centers of ERDB. Its RDE goals and sector outcomes include restore denuded degraded landscapes, as well as ecologically and economically important native species, and improved and sustained productivity and profitability of forest tree plantations and wetland areas. This is made possible through the implementation of the following programs and projects, studies, and activities. RDE Program on Conservation and Sustainable Management of Natural and Plantation Forests. Also, FWRDEC implemented the following RDE projects and studies. First, development of integrated pest management for industrial tree plantation species or ITPs and other plantations in Mindanao in response to climate change. Second, greenhouse gas or GHG flux measurement and carbon stock assessment of peatlands. Tree improvement and development of quality planting materials of indigenous tree species and industrial tree plantation species. Fourth, performance of different cloned climax species interplanted in existing tree plantation within mined-out areas of Carmen Copper Corporation. And fifth, establishment of demo areas on ENR technologies in northern Mindanao. Meanwhile, the transfer and extension of technologies generated from the researches are transferred through the Program on Client-Based Technology Transfer and Extension Services for Environment and Natural Resources or ENR Management. FWRDEC also implements the following support activities: protection of experimental forest and demo areas, enhanced National Greening Program or ENGP production of quality planting materials, operation and maintenance of Mindanao Tree Seed Center or MTSC, and operation and maintenance of Pest and Disease Laboratory. FWRDEC has also established, maintained, and strengthened networks and linkages with other institutions to make its mandate relevant. In fact, it has projects externally funded by DOST and some mining companies. Conservation and sustainable management of natural plantation forests in the Philippines and enhancing resilience of wetland areas for conservation and management nationwide are the ultimate goal of FWRDEC. Adhering to these is also attaining its vision to be the center of excellence in research, development, and extension in forest and wetland resources.